Hello everybody, welcome back. I have the Bowers & Wilkins 606 S3 set up. Been playing them for about good 4 hours now. Set them up about 14 inches from the back of the wall. I have a problem with this one, but anyways, you see I have acoustic foaming all over the place. This is not a bright room. I have foams all over the place, acoustic foams. So anyways, so far so good. Let me let you know what I'm using. I'm using a Parasound 2125 version 2 amplifier, which runs 150 watts per channel. It is a 4 ohm load too. It carries a 4 ohm load, so no problem if you have a 4 ohm speaker. I'm using a 200 pre amplifier from Parasound too. Parasound's kind of nice and warm, so it kind of works good. So far so good. The tweeters don't sound bright. They're not in your face. I kind of still got to do a little more placing, better placing. As you see, I don't have a lot of room to put because I have my home theater set up there too, so I have my 2 front subwoofer. But anyways, I'm going to, and I'm also using the Wiim Ultra video streamer. Bought this about a couple months ago. I love it. It works great. I'm going to buy a separate DAC later and add it to it, but I think that it's for the price. I think it's like $300 and something. You can't beat that streamer. Anyways, here we go. I am using my Definite Technology sub that I have sitting behind the big sofa. But here we go, guys. I'm going to play a track from Chantel, and the name of the song is called Temptation. Here we go.
Rusted bright in a diamond glass. Everything is made from dreams. Time is made money, slow and sweet. Only the fools know what it means. Temptation, temptation, temptation. Well, I know that he is made of smoke, but I've lost my
Well, there you go, guys. A quick demo. They haven't been fully broken in yet. I mean, it's gonna take a while. Still probably a couple weeks of constant playing. Some people don't believe in the breaking in. I do. I think that the breaking in of the woofer and tweeter, they sit in place, they sound better. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. I know it's not the same as listening here at home as you're listening through YouTube. I recommend maybe you put on some headsets and let me know what you think. So far, so good. I'm pretty happy with them. Thank you, guys, and thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.